Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Here, to calculate the tension in the cable and the reactions at A and B, we need to draw the free body diagram for the beam to identify the forces. We have five unknowns: T, Rax, Ray, Raz, Rby, and Rbz. The coordinates of the points are A is equal to 90, 0, 0, B is equal to 870, 00, C is equal to 690, 0, 450, D is equal to 0, 675, 0, E is equal to 960, 675, 0, and G is equal to 480, 0, 225. Now apply the equilibrium equation. First, we need to locate each point with respect to A. So for this, we can write R BA is equal to 780I plus 0J plus 0K mm. RCA is equal to 600I plus 0J plus 450K mm. RGA is equal to 390I plus 0J plus 225K mm. Also, we can calculate the tension at CE is equal to T vector CE upon magnitude CE, which gives the answer T upon 855, because the magnitude of CE gives the square root of 270 square plus 675 square plus minus 450 square, and the result will be 855. And the vector CE is 270I plus 675J minus 450K. But also we know that sigma MA is equal to sigma R cross F is equal to 0. So let's take the cross product of R and F, which gives the answer 780 RB by K minus 780 RBZJ plus 473.68 TK plus 315.78 TJ plus 142.10 TJ minus 355.26 TI minus 390 WK plus 225 WI is equal to 0. As sigma m is equal to 0, we can compare its I, J and K coefficient individually to 0. So let's first of all compare the coefficient I to the 0. So for this we need to find out the I terms. in this equation, which are minus 335.26 Ti. Here this term is our I term 355 point sorry, it is a 335, not 355.26. Another term is 225 Wi. So this is the also I term. So we are comparing this to the 0. We will get T is equal to 621.3 Newton. Similarly, by comparing the J terms, we will get our Vz is equal to 364.73 Newton, and by comparing the K terms, we will get our Bz is equal to 113.19 Newton. So from this we can write Rb. So Rb will be equivalent to Rb by J, but Rb by is 113.19 J plus RBZK, but RBZ is 364.73 K. So this is our RB. Now in the next we know sigma f of x is equal to 0. So let's take the summation of all the forces in the x direction, which are Ax plus 270 upon 855t is equal to 0, gives the answer Rax is equal to minus 196.2 Newton. By taking the summation of forces in the y directions, give the answer Ray is equal to 377.31 Newton, and by comparing the forces in the z direction, we will get Raz is equal to minus 37.73 Newton. Therefore, we can write Ra is equal to Raxi, that means minus 192.2 I plus Rayj, so 377.31 J plus Razk, so minus 37.73 K. So this is our Ra.